Are you ready to discover the hidden benefits of cucumber from fighting cancer to improving hydration? We are about to blow your mind with information that put cucumbers at the top of your grocery list. So sit back, grab a cucumber and check out what this powerhouse of benefits can do for you. Boost libido. Cucumbers are rich in vitamin C, which is crucial for producing collagen, a protein that helps keep blood vessels healthy and strong. Cucumber also contain high levels of manganese and vitamin A, which play a role in testosterone production. Testosterone is an important hormone that significantly attracts libido, sexual health, and sexual function. Hydration. Did you know that cucumbers are composed of about 96% of water? That's right, friends. Eating a cucumber provides a substantial amount of hydration with each bite, but it's not just the water content that makes cucumbers so hydrating. They also have essential electrolytes like potassium and sodium, which help maintain fluid balance and control thirst. Proper hydration is essential for many body functions, like keeping the body at the right temperature, moving waste and nutrients, and promoting healthy skin. Staying hydrated also positively impacts physical performance, including increased energy levels, improved muscles function. Hydration also have a significant impact on maintaining a healthy metabolism. Dehydration can also slow down your metabolism, making it difficult for your body to burn calories effectively and absorb nutrients. Lose weight. Are you trying to lose weight but don't want to give up your favorite foods? Well, have no fear, because cucumbers are here. Cucumbers are high in fiber and low in calories, making them a healthy food for weight loss when consumed as part of a balanced diet. Although low in calories, it's important to note that consuming a large amount of low-calorie food can still result in significant calories intake. Cucumber contain fiber, a type of carbohydrate that remains undigested by the body as it moves through the body. It helps regulate digestion. This can help people lose weight by making them feel full and reducing their overall calorie intake, potentially leading to feeling of fullness and decreased overall calorie intake, supporting weight loss efforts, while fiber can help regulate appetite. Kidney stones. Cucumbers are a natural cleanser for your kidney, utilizing their high water content to flush out harmful toxins and minerals by controlling uric acid levels. Cucumbers offer a natural method to treat and prevent the formation of kidney stones because their water content acts as diuretic by increasing urine output. This aids in the elimination of excess minerals and waste. This contributes to kidney stone formation. Cucumbers are also rich in potassium and magnesium. These two minerals may help regulate uric acid levels in the body, but this depends on several factors such as overall diet. Potassium and magnesium may help lower the amount of uric acid in the body and stop stone forming. Strong bones with cucumber. Now, cucumber may not be the first thing that comes to your mind when thinking about bone health, but this versatile food is packed with nutrients that can help strengthen and protect. One of the nutrients and cucumber that support bone health is calcium. Calcium is vital for keeping your bone strong and healthy, and a cup of cucumber slices has just about 14% of the daily value. The benefits go beyond just their calcium content, as other nutrients work together with calcium to further improve bone health. Cucumber also great for parenting age-related bone loss, so enjoy them in your salads or sliced on a sandwich for a nutritious addition to your meals. How often do you eat cucumbers? Let us know in the comments below. If you like this video, then hit that like button and subscribe Fruits and Veggies.